Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare my crispy chicken burger. For the ingredients, I've got 2 burgers, I've got the breaded chicken, and guys, this is just coming from the oven. I've already cooked it in the oven and it's ready. And I've also got some red peppers, I've got some lettuce, and I have some peri-peri, some Nando's peri-peri mayonnaise. I've got some butter. I will butter my buns. I'm going to butter my buns, and after I've done this, I'll put them straight into the grill so that they are crispy. And whilst they're in the grill, I prefer them to be lightly golden brown. I don't like them too brown, so if they are lightly golden brown, then that's the right color. So out of the grill, guys, and this is how they look. They're nice and crispy. I'm going to pop the chicken, breaded chicken, and I'll just put the peppers. So you can put whatever you like on this burger, but I'm putting lettuce and the red peppers and the sauce. Okay, just gonna do this one as well. So this one, okay, this one I'll start with the peppers. And then I'll put the sauce. And then I'll put the lettuce, the breaded chicken, you have it, guys. This is my crispy chicken burger. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.